The first thing that you want to do when you set up route schedules is first establish the route frequencies. Click on routes, then come down to frequencies. From here you can set up your frequency. For instance, you may want to set up a weekly route frequency. So type in weekly and press create. You can give the frequency a description. You can also set how you want it to reoccur. So if it's weekly, meaning you have a stop that reoccurs every Monday, then you can come down and select daily, for instance, and make this reoccur every 7 days. So if Route 1 goes to a stop on every single Monday, then set it to daily and it reoccurs every 7 days. If you have a route that services the same stop twice a week, then you'll put them on the route schedule twice. Maybe it's Monday and Wednesday or Tuesday and Thursday. Press save. That adds that route frequency. I can go back to the list and add another frequency. Maybe you do bi-weekly, every 2 weeks. Press create. Again, give it a description if you want. Select daily. And that reoccurs every 14 days. Press save and continue on. Now maybe you have a quarterly stop. Press create. And you may want this to reoccur monthly every, say, 3 months. Now be careful with this, because if you make a stop reoccur on the same day every 3 months, then you may want to change this to be, say, every 90 days or every so many weeks. So if I select weekly, I can make this reoccur every so many weeks. I can also select daily and make the stop reoccur every 90 days as an example. So you have a lot of options here, but just remember, if you select monthly and you have it reoccur every 3 months, you can have it recur on the 9th day as an example in the month, or a specific day within the month. So if you use quarterly quite often, maybe for quarterly filter changes or something like that, I would not set it to reoccur on the same day every month. I would probably select daily and have it reoccur every 90 days. Now some companies, with regards to filter changes as an example, may want this to reoccur on the first day of every month. That way you can batch generate the invoices for your filter changes all at one time and then do them throughout the month. That's real popular as well. If you have any questions, please contact our training department and they can give you more details. Now another frequency that's real popular is on call or one time. Maybe you're going to a stop only one time. Maybe it's a setup or an install or something like that. Now one thing that you can do is you can set this to daily, for instance, and every 0 days. And press Save Changes. Now when I go back, you'll see that there's an option for delete after posting. If I have a check mark here, what will happen is when I post my route schedule, when I roll my route schedule forward, any stop flagged delete after posting, once it posts into history, it will delete that stop off of the route schedule.